All right, so I bought a 2024 Chevy Silverado Midnight Edition High Country. And you know what? There's one thing about this truck that's been driving me crazy that I'm going to fix today with this right here. Yes, sir. Let's get around this. So first off, this Midnight Edition, you know, first off, they bring this part here. It's painted. They have to add that black chrome, or dark chrome as I call it. Even down here is painted black. The bezel here is black. The badging on the side's black. They even offer this part here comes in painted black. The window trim here is not chrome, it's black. The handles are black. Just got a little piece of chrome here, which I could probably cover it pretty easy. But my point is, like, even the wheels are black. But what my point is, Chevy has done a great job blacking everything out, but I don't get it. So I stand back here, and one thing that just drives me nuts every time I walk up to my truck is right here. These little non-gloss black pieces to me just drive me crazy. Everything else on that back window is just black, and to me they just stand out in not a good way. So I picked these things up, and gang, I don't even know really quite off the top of my head where I got it from, what the name of the company is. I'm not sponsored. I'll find it. I'll drop the link down below just to help you all, but no, I'm not getting a dime of commission or anything off this. I just want to show you how easy it is to do. So what first I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my tonneau cover up, and when we get up there, we're going to clean that bad boy. I've got some microfiber cloth and cleaner down here. Let's get started. Alright, y'all just found out one of the reasons why I'm not a huge fan of the roll-up tonneau covers. I'm looking at straightening this out to fold up one. Bigger fan of that. Let me get you up here real quick. And yes, I know it's wet outside, it's raining, but if you look down below, this here's pretty dry thanks to that. That's dry thanks to that. I am going to, however, take it, and just so nothing drips, wipe this off. Alright, and then we're going to wipe this down just in case there's any moisture on there. So wipe the window down up here. Alright, then first things first, taking my 70 isopropyl alcohol and get my towel wet. Get good and wet. Alright, we're going to go ahead and wipe this off real good. Get it good and clean. Same thing with the bottom. Alright, well that's drying. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is how it came. Just in a little sleeve here. Well, it was in a box before that, but alright. And this is what it looks like. So basically it's gonna go there and makes it appear to be painted. So go ahead and let's peel the back off. Just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch it. What I want to do is start at the bottom. You know what, let's do this. I'm gonna see how much it covers. Is it perfectly covered? And is there a top and bottom? Because it doesn't say. There is a top and bottom. This would be the bottom. That's the top. Alright. So what I want to do is go ahead and start this all the way over here. Alright, I'm going to line this up. Start right there. Line that up. Alright, that's perfect. Alright, now I'm just going to pull this back and then lay it down as I go. Here's what I want it. I'll push it down. Alright. And guys, it's actually got another film on it we're going to peel off. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. Let's see if I can get that. Here we go. All right. Look at that. Wow, I hope the film comes out and shows you the difference of that. Let me get you a little closer. All right, let's get you closer. See that? Now, as a reminder, that's what it looked like. So, let's give you a good look of it. Almost looks like the window. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the bottom one on now. Same step as before, but I want to go ahead and lay this out just to make sure. So, I want it all the way down at the bottom. I think if I line it right up to the edge. Right there is where I want it. Just going to peel it back. Alright, just a little bit. Alright, that's where I like it. Alright, get good pressure all the way around it. Alright, all done. Looks pretty good. Alright, so we'll wrap this up, y'all. That was pretty simple. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Like I said, not sponsored, but I'll drop a link down below just to help y'all out. By the way, I took the time to wash my truck in the rain. And I do want to tell you one more thing. I did add these low profile exterior window visors, wind deflectors, what do you want to call it. But anyway, I'll do a video for that. I'll drop a link up here for that. But anyway, hopefully this was helpful to you. If so, hit the like button, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Should I have done it? Waste of time, waste of money? You tell me. But y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.